Look at that. What was the elevation that we just climbed? He's gonna check the elevation. But we did 2.3 miles.
Stuck.
Holy shit, Jacob. How did you put your foot in like that?
Going down the road to a little trail. I'm a little broken today.
Oh, stop being a wuss.
Can't bend my left leg past 90. And my back is killing me.
His back is broken.
His back is broken. What?
And his wife makes him go hiking with
You need to wipe the lens off because that's recording really blurry. Clearer now?
Yes.
Does it show the pain?
The pain right here? Is it this knee? Is it this knee?
It's not that deep.
No, but what if I make this one equally as bad? Ow, that hurt my wrist.
DC Putnam State Forest, Worcester Block, Middlesex Trailhead.
Chloe, what are you doing?
So we're looking for the White Rock,
What I literally just told her.
2.3 mile trek. Why did we put a leash on her?
Because there's, I don't know if they're supposed to have leashes on these dogs, and there's a lot of people here.
About 10 minutes in. It's been pretty gradual incline the whole way. Little gullies like this where the water cuts through. But it's a good workout. You can feel your heart beating. Gotta breathe a little bit. It's it says 2.3 miles. Assume that's one way. So we'll see how we do. We're taking a little break. We've been moving for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, but it's been a steady grade uphill. So important part when hiking is to take a break whenever essentially the person who has the inability to continue. So in this case, Jacob was asking for a break, so we took a break.
Sit. Lay down. Lay down. She's like, oh, lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Lay down. Good girl.
We got a little bit of a sweat going.
Look, I have one.
Test another Rux. Johnny has his military one.
Smell it, mother.
Oh, you got some victory? Oh boy, you should have put some deodorant before you left.
I did.
Phoebe's testing out her backpack.
I'm gonna smell it. It's how I smell right now.
Who's a good girl, Phoebe?
If it's sweaty, I can feel
Smell
it.
it, dude. Smell it?
Showing all the people that have come in through here. Look at this. Look at how many people have come in here.
Careful, there's no bees in there.
Look. That's cool.
Yeah,
I'm
you're
showing
breaking
it. Breaking it. It's freaking Bart.
You're breaking it.
You break bark easily. I can't zip it up.
Jacob, do you want to
Get
write
over
your
here
name
and
on
sign your name. Stay. Okay, go.
How about you get from the pen? Oh, sorry. Oh my gosh.
No,
Right,
hold the pen correctly, ding dong.
Hold the pen correctly.
How about he just takes it down and writes it on the log? And you want to hold it. Jacob, why are you being a weirdo?
Hold the pen correctly. And write your name correctly. Thank you. J-A-C-O-B.
Or Allah. Everyone will know you as
Why is
Allah.
that a circle?
Allah Bisnet.
J-A-O.
Jacob.
Alright. Alright, Jacob, stick it up here. Good.
Jacob B.
Here,
Yeah.
I need to
Nope.
cross it.
Clip
Wait,
it
you
up
need
to
make
here.
a little line.
Oh, you need to do the line underneath it? Alright.
Get an arm workout and a leg workout.
Yeah, I'm like, my legs are shaking.
But I'll do it.
I didn't sign mine. I
had to drop it
Just kidding. Yeah, I didn't sign my name.
Take forever.
Allah number 2.
Done.
Okay. Put it up there, Alexis. No.
I'm waiting. I'll drop everyone else's down.
Woohoo.
Best one of the year.
Stop. He's about to break it. Stop. Literally trying to take a picture. Y'all are ridiculous.
30 minutes in. I think we've gone half a mile. They're gonna be dead. We were just told we're quite a ways away from the junction, and then it's 0.75, like pretty steep. So super looking forward to seeing how they're gonna do.
I think your banana will fell out.
Oh, I have a banana. I think you have a banana.
Oh, I have a banana.
Hey, if you hear animals, that's when you stop talking. Right, Phoebe? Right, Phoebe girl? Go girl. Yeah, go
This
girl.
might as well be toilet.
Oh yeah, look at that incline. Starting to get up some mountain. 52 minutes in. Come on, Jacob. Look at how steep it's getting. Go that way. Let's go. He's climbing the mountain. Come on. Come on, Jacob. Let's go, Matthew. Yeah, she's bent over. Eyes are burning. Giving up. She's stretching out them hamstrings. Taking the weight off the back. Starting to feel what I've felt for years.
My head's hot. I power walk through that. It hurts.
We're in 3 minutes in. About half the food supplies are gone for each kid. They're struggling going up a general slope.
I just saw an animal. Just like kind of across the
Lexus is delusional seeing animals. God help us. Oh, Jacob, you gotta go up. Gotta make it up the slippery slope rock.
Run.
Get some speed.
Not slippery.
Mommy's trying to block my shot.
No. Go ahead.
This is probably what the incline's gonna be like right there at the end, at least. What? At the end when they said then it picks up. No, stop walking on weird steps. Like I told you, stay off the rocks. Stay on the ground as much as possible. You waste more energy trying to step up and down than trying to walk smooth. Mount Hunger 1.1, White Rock 0.75.
Make a kid. What do you want to do? You want to do the 1.1?
Yeah. 1.1. 1.1. The white box.
I'm good to keep going.
We've done 7.5 points. 1.1.
You can always do it for another day. We're good either way. Let's do White Rock, and then next week we'll do Mount Hunger.
Someone's coming up. I can hear them.
Let's go Bob Camp Kemp Trail. All right, off to White Rock. We got a nice clear sign. I gotta look into this, whoever Bob Kemp is. I get you using Phoebe as an excuse not to continue. It's just, it's a frog. What? How about you keep whatever memories to yourself? Watch where you're stepping to, because you fall now, you're taking a spill. Hey, if she goes, that's fine. If you go, not fine.
You would go down and then you would start tumbling. There's a path right here.
It's called water runoff.
Hey, Phoebe.
Almost to the top of the mountain. Keep going. I love it.
Are you making fun of me?
Yeah. This is great. Finally getting that medicine you've been asking for.
Oh,
The stairs.
oh, the little stairs.
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh shit, I'm in trouble.
Oh no.
How's it going? Thanks.
Please.
Come on, let's go. It's a cool little ladder.
Mama's out of breath.
Yeah,
Oh my goodness. These ladders are adorable.
You gotta stop being so tired that you're not paying attention to your steps, because it's gonna cost you. Get up.
I think I did that shit on purpose.
I think you're not paying attention to your steps, yeah. Because you're getting tired.
No. It's
Yeah.
slippery right there.
Mm-hmm.
Feel it. It's slippery.
It's slightly slippery, but not enough to
Well, that's because you stepped with your left foot, which just doesn't make sense when you're stepping across.
Oh my gosh, this is
Just want you to pay attention. I don't want to have to like splint and carry you down or something.
I kind of like them. Because of how smooth they are.
Pretty well built. It's cool is if they purpose this from all around here, and they use big old lag screws and nails. Just watch out, this is wet stuff. We'll break at the top because we're under half a mile, so we're not stopping. You get plenty of time at the top. See, don't get too excited at the end. It ain't over till it's over. It's gonna keep cutting back and forth until you're there.
Mushrooms. I went in the mud.
Back up. Give her some room. Hour 27 minutes in. Shanling's pretty good and smoked. Pudding's getting a little questionable. Come on. Come up the smart way.
These are pretty chairs.
I know it's a big mountain for your little legs, but you're doing good.
I'm still not because I'm slow.
Yeah, it's fine. You can rest at the top. Stop doing all the extra jumping. Save your energy for when you actually need to do a big jump. For you, Jacob, this is a big, big mountain. Come on. We'll take... No, it's not. I can see where it's at. It's where it's always been. You're just getting uncomfortable because of the hike.
Yeah, because we're resting hotter, but we want to stay cooler.
Yeah, we'll stay cooler. Don't worry. We're right here. We're getting very close to the end.
These are good stairs.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of like so, you know, open it.
Yep, it's pretty cool.
I wish there was a lot of stairs.
Oh my god.
So I kind of bomb.
My heartbeat in my butthole.
So you want to do the what? The presidential ridge, you said?
Presidential traverse.
Yeah.
Let's go.
It'll be different without kids. Slow me down. They slow me
You're
down.
slowing us down. Yeah, you're slowing us
Yeah, I'm like, you're
Stop
leading
it.
the group and they're like in your butt waiting for you to go.
Well, can you just clip this?
Unclip it. You want to take it off for a second?
Yeah, because I need water. Oh, that freeze on my neck.
Yeah, these trees don't look too much taller above us, so we're following this. Yeah?
We're winning.
Yes.
We are winning.
hike. So this is the light blue path. That's how they mark it. Why did they make them? For people who normally can't just walk. Also, it looks like there's plenty of water and mud that comes through here. Back, what? Turn around and face the other way so you don't face plant 7 feet into a rock. Like, you need to brake, but don't brake and turn and face downhill. Like,
I do need to brake. I can't.
okay then, like, this was her view. I'm gonna take a break.
Oh, my knee.
All right, got a little bit of a climb here. Luckily, my knee is super loosened up, so I'm in trouble there for about 2 or 3 days where I could not even bend my knee more than 90 degrees. So it feels good that it's loosened up again. Perks of the former lifestyle.
Is this a butterfly? Look at the Doggy.
Okay. Looks like we're gonna be at the peak here in a moment. Right at the cusp of 2 hours.
It's gonna be so fun going down. How long has it been, Dad?
2 hours.
Wow.
That's why you don't just decide you're gonna go hiking if you're not prepared, and then or the time doesn't allow. Yeah, we're gonna be getting right up to it. Trees aren't getting any taller.
Really?
Stop saying we're here. Okay, battery change out. Sunny uphill. Climb any mountain. Hey, be careful walking around out here because you can go right off. Look at, you can see people sitting at the top of that one. That's the one we'll go to next week. That's a better one.
I see someone sitting out there.
There's 2 people, sitting right up there.
Are they naked?
They got their shirts off. There's higher. I wonder if I can. Yeah, this little path. Come on, let's hear some hooting. See if you guys can get an echo.
Echo! We made it!
No.
That was kind of weird.
Oh, Chloe found a better spot.
Remember, walk for your step, you guys.
Good girl, Phoebe. All right, come here, Phoebe. Oh, wow. Chloe found it. Actually, look, it says it keeps going. That's what these blue marks are. Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
Where's Lucas's house? Their house is out there.
Oh, that's so cool.
That's so cool. Ow, Mom.
Slow down.
Step on me.
Watch your steps. Do not step without looking.
Oh, it feels good.
Okay. Drop your rucks. Drop your rucks.
Dad, there's still more to go.
Chloe, we're gonna.
Stop cutting up people off. Stop being a fool. There's clearly a trail. The safest way to get up this. My God.
I have to learn.
Yeah, I don't want them to learn by hurting themselves right now at the very end. Stay leaning into the rock.
You ain't getting over this.
Come on, Phoebe. Come on. Go. Come on, Phoebe, go. Come on. Good girl.
Phoebe's working it.
Good girl.
Oh, what a big climber. Wow. With a weighted ruck on for the first time. Nope. Okay, that one was fairly steep, finally. Well, I mean, trying to hold the camera. I had to put it down at one point. Okay, come on. Follow the blue. Stop going off trail. Follow the trail. That's how people get lost. Take a few steps. Stop looking back here. Blue to the right. All right, Alexis, you're on point now. How's it going?
You have to climb that.
We have to follow the blue.
Difficult right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. I had a
Slow down.
and I'm alone, and
Slow down.
I'm not worried about the kids. I'm worried about me.
I just couldn't clear.
Phoebe's going up.
Slow down.
Oh yeah, Phoebe wasn't gonna make that jump.
Good girl.
I don't know if Mommy's gonna make that jump.
Oh, we focus on getting to this top, then we can look around.
Good girl, Phoebe.
Follow the trail marks. Good girl, Phoebe. You're so thirsty? Well, you'll drink your water when we get up here.
It's nice.
Is there a benchmark up here? It might be around that way.
Oh my God, my thighs are burning. Oh.
It's only halfway.
Going down is much easier. True. I'll probably sprain my ankle.
You're gonna put your feet and you won't be able to see that way.
Oh! It's got me. Oh, that's awesome.
I think those are. I think I've seen those before.
Take your stuff off.
Going straight down, it feels like.
I think I just hurt my ankle.
Chloe looks like she's a rock climbing queen.
Slipping. Okay.
Alright, stuck in a little impasse where
Ow.
Phoebe can't make it all the way.
Let me go.
Hopefully this backpack kind of comes in for her.
Come on.
Ew, Jacob.
Good girl. Come on.
So Johnny's gonna
Oh,
get her pack.
why do you have to
Good girl. Chuck her to the other side.
Slow. Good girl.
do
Stay.
that?
Stay.
I always do that.
Good girl, stay.
Someone's got Jacob too?
Yeah, I got him.
Alexis, is it a good idea for Jake to follow you?
No, just wait.
He's like, thank you.
Alright.
Just wait, Jacob.
I can go straight down.
Got kids climbing everywhere.
Go straight down.
All right, go straight down. All right, Jacob, hold on. Give me your hand. Jump. Oh, good job.
I made slime.
You're like a Spider-Man. Can you go down this too, or you need help?
I don't need no. Come on. That was an easy way to get down. Everyone should have got down that way.
Look at that.
Yes. Freedom.
What was the elevation that we just climbed? He's gonna check the elevation. But we did 2.3 miles.
Stuck.
Holy shit, Jacob. How did you put your foot in like that?
My ear.
Come on, Jacob. You're gonna come right after Mommy.
You sure you want him or should I take him? Climb like Mom's climbing. Turn around. You better listen to me next time. You don't know shit about rock climbing. You've never done it. I've rappelled off mountains and out of helicopters before, jumped out of airplanes. I know a lot more about how to position your body than you do.
It's okay. Go slow. Lay on your stomach.
Did I do it good, Dad?
Yeah, you did it how you're supposed to do.
Keep going.
Don't.
Keep going.
You better be ready to grab the whole ass.
turn this on the other side.
No. Don't. Just saying, don't pull him when he's not like.
I'm stuck. Why am I cracking?
You're gonna have to let him go by you, and I'm gonna have to lower Phoebe to you almost. How's that tree right above you?
I mean, if she can come down this way.
How's that tree root? Nothing?
Dad, she came down. She went up this way and then came down.
No, she didn't. She kind of went like this.
Phoebe.
Don't just. Oh, fuck. Sean, like, bad idea. Fuck. Next time, let's just take the brace off her next time for you. Tell her let's.
I'm not worried about her because she's done.
I am. It's additional weight on her joints.
Sideways, Jacob. Side to side. Like this. Look. Little big step, little step. Big step, little step.
See? At a certain point, Chloe, you can turn and walk sideways. Like I said. This is sideways. This is forward into the rock. This is sideways. But instead, you start freaking out and you start leaning backwards like that's the best way, away from the rock. I'm just gonna start leaning backwards because I'm losing my mind. Let's go. Alexis, Jacob, Mom can lead. Chloe will not be leading. And everyone seems to agree that going downhill is easier than going uphill.
Except for the footing parts, like when that crack, how you don't know your footing.
Stop walking and looking at me. You can talk to somebody and still watch where you're going when you're hiking. See, Mom just slipped out. That's why I said sometimes it's your shoes that slip out, not you.
Too much weight on these cute little shoes.
Yeah.
These puny little shoes. Too much weight on these puny little shoes. God.
They're so shitty.
Dude, that's a good t-shirt.
My soul's coming up.
Too much weight on these little bitty shoes. Let's go. Let's go, too much. Hashtag too much weight on these shoes.
That was fun.
Things to remember. Your toenails hurt? Yeah. I mean, I have a couple of boots that are probably right at your size.
That's true. I should have freaking tried to.
Like, I've got the nice little brown. Are those ones bad? Have those ones been bad?
God, these are fucking Walmart brand.
Walmart? Ozark Trail?
Walmart brand.
I like those
I got these when I went hiking in
Ozark Trail, what are you doing?
Virginia with the girls from Raising Raiders. That's the only reason why I have them.
Oh.
I like them.
I got them specifically for a trip, and I went to Walmart on the way up there to get it.
And you were like, dang, look at these shoes. These are probably, you could take these up freaking White Rock Mountain, I bet.
White tip. Now I see my toes.
Yeah, now they're white tip. Ozark
If you
Mountains.
don't want them, I'll take them.
They lasted like 2
Got to get that Walmart brand so you can get your toes out on the trail.
Banging into this wood.
Ba-dum. They're trying to create grooves in it for stepping. So when it rains, the water not only drains out, but it is grooved for grip.
These rocks.
Just like your hiking boots.
Okay, that's a bad tree to really hang on.
Yep.
That would crack immediately.
Yep, this is ready to come out pretty soon.
But it's super smooth. It feels good.
What's Allah doing? Oh, Matthew's walking and talking, looking back at me. Kimber's recording it. He needs different shoes? Yeah.
Yeah, he's wearing first
Yeah, he just
Jacob's got Spider-Man shoes on for climbing. And his like backpacks on like he's like, I know, he looks like a little hiker boy.
I could see this as a career path for him.
Is that what you're thinking of? Like, this kid's gonna have a lot of exposure to a lot of shit.
Yeah, basically.
through his younger years, be
I'm
like,
gonna do a pig.
"You've never been hiking? I've been hiking every day of my life." I
You got
remember.
Phoebe?
If anything, she's gonna whack her tail on her a lot. That's about it. Go ahead. Go say hi. Go say hi.
God.
Oh, good girl, Phoebe.
Does your dog see your hands?
Oh, Hi, Phoebe ran away. We see who about the real terror.
Yeah, no, Shirley is very good at setting boundaries. Zoom into his butt.
Okay. We're gonna record Jacob going down the climbing hard part. Jacob's going down.
Turn your backpack the other way.
He's going down. Sliding on the way. That's okay. Thrift store shopping.
It stinks though. It's
What?
like farted in his... Yeah, that one's only enough. Solid one.
She's trying to take the stand-up straight approach. Follow the way the water runs, Jacob. Sometimes it snakes back and forth a little bit.
Oh, honey, that sounds like a survival manual book name.
What?
Follow the way the water runs.
Depends on where you're going, though. I'm like, sometimes you don't want to be in the draws.
No, don't touch it. He just like touched his butt because he slid and realized that it was way closer.
And then I opened the thing.
That means you're
Open my pants.
Jacob. That means your underwear's gonna go next, and then it'll be what? Naked booty walking.
You're gonna make yourself pretty walking.
No, I won't.
Your booty's the one that's hanging out almost.
You're pretty walking.
Kid's 5 years old. Think he's got a sense of humor. That was good, Jacob. Nice move.
I know. If we could lift up this wall, then we could get further.
Those like tactical
He needs tactical pants.
where they're like, you can slide down alpine.
Are you gonna slide it, honey?
No, that's in the ground. We're trying to lift this up so we can get up.
No, we're not gonna drink this. This is still. If we're gonna choose water to drink out of the life straw, we're gonna try to get some moving water.
Okay. We're back at that 0.75. Now only another 1.5.
Oh, it's really green.
Yeah, big old guy.
Kind of a stripe. Weenie meanie.
I bring him up so high.
I don't know.
I'm like,
Put him out of the walkway so he doesn't get Oh. Honey's asking for it.
I don't know.
what'd you say?
Honey's asking for it.
Asking for it.
Oh my god, his bald spot.
I know.
I'm gonna watch you.
Jack, right now I'm sucking it through all the filters and stuff. There it was finally.
Stay.
Can I go next because I ran out of water a second?
Is that a filter?
Stay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want water.
I have one, but I haven't used it yet.
I know I
I don't have it with me.
Well, if you see in the news, you know, a bunch of people die, you'll know.
Can I see it? Can you help me get
I'm
this
late
off?
right here.
No,
No,
you're
let
gonna lay down like Dad. Move. You don't need to take it off.
If you can't close the cap and get it out of the dirt. Just
Yeah,
keep
you're
it in
floating on the top-ish.
Do you have the moving water?
Mhm.
So cold. All right.
Yeah, that's actually like there's
Don't drop it all over yourself.
a bit of ice in there.
Yeah, you're so
It's
weird.
cool, yes.
I can't wait to try. It's nice. I can't wait to try too. I want to try out the waterfall. Next.
It's nice.
I
Know that there's sources out
Go over where Chloe is. Don't step in the water. Phoebe,
Get
no.
out of the water.
especially upstream.
All right.
My turn.
Hold on. Wait till she's out of the way.
Drink out of the waterfall.
Phoebe. Good girl.
Don't stick it down into
That's
the dirt.
refreshing.
Just set it right on top of the water.
I'm actually.
Okay?
Oh my gosh.
Oh man,
Chloe.
what is that smell?
He needs help.
Pick up.
He ripped it down to his underwear. What the heck? Your underwear.
Is the cap open?
Yeah, it's open.
He's just thirsty.
He's
You
probably
getting water?
sucking good.
Are you getting water? Okay.
I'm next.
Go ahead, get in there, honey.
I'm next after Alexa.
Oh, Mom's doing it too?
Yeah, I'm
Our
thirsty.
man played it over there next.
Mommy ain't playing around.
After Matthew, it's Mom's, and then Alexis and me, then Jacob.
Get like maybe 10 good drinks and then go from there.
I did. Matthew, excuse me.
All I'm doing is sitting down. Mom's going in right now. Suck it, Mom. Suck it.
Get that life water.
Suck it, Mom. Suck it. Hurry.
What the heck is going on with the radio?
She needs it.
Mom, the lid is closed.
It's because it's filtering. Okay, made it out. Timer says 5 hours, 1 minute
Oh my God, we were in there
for the whole trip. 5 hours, 1 minute.
5 hours, 1 minute.
That includes breaks, hanging out at the top, and obviously the movement up and down. It's a long trip. I mean, you got to think about what that does for a family, though. You're teaching your family not only hiking skills, but responsibility around others in dangerous areas like rock faces, slippery terrain, and that, in terms of homeschooling, is something that a lot of kids fail to get at the right place or time, and could possibly prevent like injuries in the future with them or their own friends in their decision making. So we had a lot of fun today. Did a lot of stuff. They're coming running out. They're from the C.C. Putnam State Forest, Worcester Block, Middlesex Trailhead. 2.3 miles.
Jacob's out.
This is gonna be
He
one
couldn't
of the
hang out.
memories.
Oh, Chloe's almost
This is
done.
gonna be one of the memories that they're gonna have. When they're gonna be like,
You're almost done.
they're gonna be like, we climbed a mountain. I'm like, yeah, and then we went out to Dairy Cream, the best ice cream ever. Jacob's gonna be like, I don't remember that. I was sleeping. You let me sleep.
You didn't wake me
You
up.
wake me up.
He'll wake up the second we stop.
Dairy Cream, for God's sakes.
He's snoring.
Not that one.
Yep, Jacob is done.
Once upon a
Shoes
time.
off and everything.
Angel, because I'm tired.
I want a little one.
Post-hike treats.
Yeah.
Oh, post-hike treats. Let me see your stuff. What'd you get? Oh, and Matthew just got a burger and french fries, even though I told him I was cooking.
We're probably not good.
And I got a massive
I doubt
brownie.
you're upset that you've got your coconut glazed ice cream back there from the way you're eating it. You're like, damn! I hiked a mountain today.
Yes.
Gangs, we
No, don't take it. Just grab the cherry. He asked first. He got my cherry.
I'm going to see her.
I will find out who murdered my friend's best friend's sister.
He has.
I
this
am a
morning
private
breakfast on his
detective.
face and-
Taking a break on the trail. I know what I'm doing because I've been trained by my papa.
That's going to be.
Who's